Welcome back, everyone. And I have a surprise around the for the hearth, so don't think that's finished yet. Not even close. Probably gonna take me a whole extra day worth of work, and when it's finished, it's probably gonna look pretty amazing. First, I gotta make sure there's no trim. Also recommended that you assemble the beams before painting them. Don't make the same mistake I did. And have your wife paint them because she's a better painter than you. Anyway, I recommend keeping the top unpainted of the beam where it goes up to the floor, so that way you can glue it to the floor later. I'm going to shellac all this in place when it's finished, just because like this one's going to get a lot more use and a lot more moved around than the other one. The other one is built onto a table. It does not move. Alright, I jumped ahead a little bit and went ahead and did the banisters and the hearth while there's no roof on it. You know, nothing get in the way, because once again I got big fat meat sausages. Anyway, here's the inside of the chimney. I painted gray because once again you're going to be able to look through there. Look how nice that looks. And it's not finished. Obviously I got something in store to go on the outside. That's why the hearth had to be installed. But you see everything's painted gray on the inside. That's that. Yes, anyway, make sure you paint this front wall on the outside, at least around where the beams are going to go. Because otherwise that's going to be really intricate and a pain in the butt, and you're going to get white or whatever outer color that is on your inner color. So keep that in mind too. Got this window all put together. Big piece goes on the bottom just like a little shelf. It's kind of neat. Let's see. I don't know if you can see in there. I'll have to light that up during the day. Anyway, beams are next. Also painted this section of the roof. We will shellac the inside later, but we're going to go ahead and put this piece right here. When it's done, we got the eave all painted here, and then this little square here, and also underneath. I'll show you. See, right there, all the way up to there for all that line. Bam. No big deal. I might shellac it a little bit just because of this spot right here. Okay, get all the beams in like so. You get the brace in like so. All the way across like so. It's really good. Look at the damn string. Alright. Of course the window box, already done. So once I get the beams done, then we'll be doing the chimney. I forgot I need floor bracing for all this weight I'm about to add. And then when you're done, the covers go on like so. And I painted mine blue to match the beams. Just, we really like blue here. Not at all. I mean, we completely redesigned that dollhouse with a double wraparound deck. And blue just set it off. And I don't know if you can see the chimney back there or not. And voila. Now, when doing the roof support beam, this was how I laid it out, just so I knew which piece went where. And I painted all the sides and ends and shit just because I want it to look really good. Like, you know, you can see those in there in the dark. That's how bright they are. Imagine when I get lights installed and all the shininess from the shellac and shit. Dude, this thing's really going to shine inside. It's going to be neat. Make sure you get everything all lined up good. Yeah, you can see the hot glue there. Fat wad, huh? Alright. That water glue there. That water glue is there for a reason. That's water glue. Yeah. Try to keep the beam as straight as possible. That's the spine of your house. Alright, now we got the roof bracing in. Yes, it matches, of course. Carry the seam all the way up into the upstairs with the stairs. Why not, you know? Somewhere we got some material this color we can make curtains with. Not a joke. I'm not joking. I still got to make curtains for the Harrison too. Dude, we really go all out sometimes on these miniatures, a lot of us. Ours is because we have a little 1/10 scale town that these are a part of, and we do action figure movies, so they kind of got to look as real as possible. So if that interests you, please give us a like and subscribe. We will see you guys in the next episode. Peace.